I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think.
Elif çocuk oyunun bir var anda Elif'in çocuk oyunun öyle. Sadece de arkadaşlar
So I stepped off the phone. Even noticed I saw them standing right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream. I got everything I want. But when I wake up I see and you say, as long as I'm here, don't wanna lie here, but you can learn. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you.
Sen kimsin bak?
I tried to
Niye
scream,
tutuyorsun?
but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. It could have been a nightmare.